Why do you think identity data specifically is seen as now a foundational component or foundational pillar for an organisation to build off the top of for their cybersecurity posture?
Zero trust, I think we've been through the snake oil period, and now we're on to actually it's an architectural philosophy which has value, and people are now seeing that. We can't buy it, it's not a magic file, it's a real thing and we should be doing it. One of the first pillars of zero trust is explicitly verify, never trust, is check. Historically, might have been something you did when you created the account or when you enrolled the device in Active Directory. And that was, once upon a time trust. We did it 3 years ago, we still trust that device. So the data doesn't just have to be clean, but it has to be current. And that enables you to make good access decisions within that sort of zero trust philosophy. It's just in time, not once upon a time.
You heard it here first, just in time, not once upon a time.